How to fix crashing when joining a world in Minecraft. Now, some of the reasons why you couldn't join a world or why it would crash when you try to join the world is down to a couple of reasons. The first reason might be that you used mods in that server and that there are certain items or blocks in that server that you're trying to run now without mods. So what you need to do is run the exact same mods that you used to run to open the world up. The other thing that may be crashing the game when you try to go to the server is maybe because your Minecraft version is lower than the one on the server. And if that isn't the problem, then maybe your Minecraft server is corrupted. So what you need to do is press the Windows key and R at the exact same time. It'll open up this run command. Type in %appdata% and click OK. Once you're here, go to Minecraft and click on saves. What this will do is open up every single world that you have. So let's say, for example, that this world right here is corrupted. What you would do is click on the server and go to region, copy that and paste it somewhere safe. Whoops. And paste it somewhere safe, like here for example. And then what you need to do is click on the world and recreate. What it's gonna do is recreate the server with the exact same seed. So now this recreated the server. What you'll do now is save and quit. Then as you can see, it created a copy of the world. So what you want to do is move this world to somewhere safe here. So what you would do now is head over to the copy of the old world and delete this region file and take this old region file that you saved and put it in here. What you want to do now is open up the old world file that you saved, copy these two folders, dim1 and the other one, delete these two from the new one and paste the ones from the older world. And now your world should be working. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.